Aware ka ba kung kailan ka malulugi? Almost every business owner has the same top priority, to make profits. Yun nga yung isa sa mga dahilan ba't ka nagnegosyo, di ba? Kaya kapag financial analysis na yung pinag-uusapan, almost every business owner that I talk to would ask me this question: kailan ako kikita? Kailan yung ROI? Magkano income natin? But we fail to ask another important question: kailan ka malulugi? And people become so uneasy with this question. Takot sila na sagutin yung tanong na to. Pero honestly, like what I always say to my clients, mas matakot ka kapag hindi mo alam. Two things: break-even point and margin of safety. Ano yung minimum level of revenue mo bago ka malugi at gaano kalayo pa yung level of revenue mo ngayon bago ka malugi? Those two numbers are very important to determine, and having a complete set of records visible to you in real time enables you to monitor them regularly and create a plan to prevent losses from happening. This is the power of accounting automation, and if you're interested to know more, send us a message. Lagi tandaan, basta accounting, i-automate na yan.